Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create user group in Time Doctor. The first thing I want you to do is log in to your dashboard, at least as an owner or an admin. And then you come here, the top navigation bar, you click on settings, okay? And then from here you'll see groups. And I want you to click on groups. And now here on the left hand side, you'll see add group. I want you to click on that. And now you first need to name your group. So I'll name this, let's say, operations, right? We'll name this operations. Now we choose group members. So we'll do Straw Hat, and let's do William Hunter and Straw Hat. Okay, and then you click on this icon to save, and then the group would have been created. As you can see right here, this is the group. Let's go ahead and show only the users in the group, and there you go. And that is how to create a user group in Time Doctor.